A heavily armed 18-year-old white gunman shot 10 people dead at a Buffalo, New York grocery store in a racially motivated attack that he live-streamed on camera, authorities said. The gunman, who was wearing a helmet and tactical gear, was arrested after the massacre, Buffalo Police Commissioner told a news conference. Granmaglia put the toll at 10 dead and 3 wounded. 11 of the 13 people struck by gunfire were black, officials said. The 2 others were white. The racial breakdown of the dead was not made clear. The gunman first shot 4 people in the parking lot of the Tops supermarket, 3 of them fatally, then went inside and continued firing, Granmaglia said. We are investigating this incident as both a hate crime and a case of racially motivated violent extremism, Belongia said.